You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. It's a brand name as well. British English pronunciation is as Scholl. Scholl. German is also Scholl. Now, American English pronunciation is as Scholl. So, slightly different sounds, but it's pretty similar. Scholl or Scholl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.